A lot of my 55 plus buyers tell me that they're very nervous about giving up space, but they don't want to deal with the lawn maintenance and the upkeep of the outside. That's where homes like this are really becoming very popular because this home is located in Middletown in a 55 plus community, and it is a carriage style home, which means that you are connected at the garage. Okay, so this one is a 2 bedroom, 2 bath. It is 1,575 square feet. It has an HOA fee of $250 monthly. And this one is right near the heart of Middletown. And when I say the heart of Middletown, I'm talking about all of our shopping, all of the grocery stores, the restaurants. We have a Christiana bar, which is not far from in town Middletown. You are literally right near the hustle and bustle, so it's a very short drive to get to all of the amenities. So let's take a look what this one looks like inside. So I did say that this one is a carriage style home, which means that you are connected at the garage to your neighbor. But this one is also an end unit. So you are not in the middle. You are on the end. So you don't really have to deal with anyone on the one side, but you will have to be connected at the garage to another home. So I guess could be considered a townhome, but they call it carriage style now. So you do have your front door is going to be to the side right here. And then you have your garage here. It does have a mixture of vinyl siding and brick. And this is what the house looks like. And then you have this walkway that goes to the side of the house. This is the front porch area. Probably not big enough to put a rocking chair or anything, but you could put some plants right here, ones that are shade loving. Or Amazon makes amazing artificial flowers to put outside. I would know because I kill everything in sight, so that's what I have. We then have the living room. It looks like it has, I want to say hardwood, maybe not, maybe LVP, but it gives a hardwood floor feel. It does have a light fixture in the living room. This is a portable fireplace, so the sellers will be taking that with them. So just keep that in mind. If that is something that you like, you will have to provide your own fireplace. Gives it that homey feeling. You do have a coat closet when you come into the front door. So you do not have to deal with any kind of carpet, it looks like, on the main floor, like the main living areas. Then we have a dining room, which has lots of natural light coming in these windows, and this slider right here it already has a fixture for you. Plenty of room because you do have a huge china cabinet right here and another cabinet right here as well. You most likely could get a 6-person table right here, if not bigger, or you could remove the leaf and then always put the leaf in when you are hosting. Plenty of cabinets and countertop space in this kitchen. It is a U-style kitchen. It does have the black appliances. Backsplash is already taken care of for you. The sink is under the window, and it does look like it has recessed lights, and then it does have a light over top of the sink. Now, you could always switch that out if you were looking for something else. You can decorate the top of the cabinets I know a lot of people have like baskets they like to put up there. I actually put artificial plants on top of my cabinets. I feel like it gives it like a homey feeling. I know some people look at it and they're like, oh, I think that kind of looks like clutter. To me, I just really think it brings in like a homey touch to a home. You have your microwave over your what looks like electric stove. Your fridge is right here. You could always put another cabinet right here if you wanted to set up like a coffee bar, or maybe I've seen people, they have like jam cabinets that you could always put right there. Put a nice sign right here. You have a hallway office nook. Okay, that's nice. So if you are someone that maybe you're not retired yet, but you are looking to move into a 55 plus community, I have plenty of clients that are in the same boat, and they're always looking for a space that they could turn into an office, or once they retire, then turn it into a guest room. Or if you like to pay bills at a desk, or if you like to puzzle, craft, there's so many different things you can do with a desk and an office space. So they do have that space right there for you. You have your laundry, this is most likely the door to the garage. Cabinet's already above the laundry, and it does look like we have a mop sink right here too. The primary bedroom with the same flooring. I think I'm going to say that's hardwood floors. You do have a light fixture. This looks like it is a very decent sized primary bedroom, as there is plenty of room to get by if you are in a wheelchair or anything else like that. It does look like you have room to maneuver. There is a sitting area right here. Oh, this is so cute. Little sitting area right here in the primary. So if you are someone that likes to read, or maybe you would set this up as like a crafting area, or even if you have a massage chair. I've seen some clients have that. I've seen some clients have some workout gear. There's definitely different possibilities for this particular little nook area. And then plenty of room for dressers in this bedroom as well. Then you have the walk-in closet. She looks like she has lots of shoes. My type of person. Then we have the primary bathroom. It does have 2 sinks. No. Then we have the primary bathroom. It has 1 sink, plenty of space for other stuff here. 1 big mirror. It does not look like it is a big lip to get into this shower. It does, let's see, it does not have a bench, but it looks like you could put a bench in there. I know a lot of people actually prefer to bring their own benches, whether it's like a bamboo bench or something like that. This way it's a little bit easier to clean it than being in the shower and cleaning it. We have that guest bedroom, same flooring. This looks like a fairly decent sized guest bedroom. We have a light fixture in here. You could put some dressers. You could make this into an office. You can make this into a craft room, a man cave. If you have like sports memorabilia, you could always set that up in here. And then they do have a hall bath. This one does have a tub, so if the grandkids come to visit, they can always take a bath. So no need to worry about that. And then this is the backyard area. It looks like you do have a small patio. You have a small privacy fence and then a good amount of space in between the next house. You could always put up maybe some fast growing trees around the patio. You could do some flower beds. I've seen people build onto the patio, and you can do some wall block to make this into an enclosed patio type of, like you could put like a grill out there. I've seen people do sectionals. There's so many different possibilities. You can make it a backyard oasis. But like I said, that one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is 1,575 square feet. And it was built in 2007. It is listed for $374,900, and it has an HOA fee of $250. So if you are interested in this property or any 55 plus community in Delaware, I would absolutely love the opportunity to help you. I have a PDF down in the description, and it breaks down every 55 plus neighborhood in Delaware. So whether you're looking for the HOA fee, you're looking for what the HOA fee covers, you're looking for the community amenities, or maybe what style homes are in that particular community, I break it all down, and I'm giving this away for free, absolutely free. There is a link down below in the description, so it will be sent right to your email. My information is down below in the description. There is a link for my calendar, or you can send me a message on any of the social media platforms. I really hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Hey, if you're thinking about retiring to Delaware, you should definitely check out this video right here. And if you would love to tour Delaware new construction homes with me, check out this playlist right here. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel.